Good morning students. Welcome to Aryavardhan YouTube channel English video lessons for the beginners. Students, in today's class we are going to practice the sound of a O letter. Here you can see O and it sounds as O. O. So let's listen this one students.
Old.
O-L-D.
Old.
This is a British pronunciation. Now let's listen American pronunciation.
Old, old, old.
Students, now let's practice Paul, polling, comb, combing, Paul, polling, comb, combing, posting, post, posting, blow, blowing, slow, slowing, show, showing, flow, flowing, open, opening, bowing, clothing, doting, folding, glowing, grossing, holding, hosting, molding, rowing, sewing, stowing, tolling, slow, slowly, vocal, vocally, cold, coldly, open, openly, bold, bolder, low, lower, post, poster, slow, slower, cold, colder, own, owner, open, opener, over, odor, donor, gold, golden, gold, golden, old, olden, open, molt, molten, vocal, nodal. Let's practice these words students. Combing, combing, slowly, porter, open, vocal. Students, now let's practice this. Here OA as O, O, coat, coating, coat, coating, boat, boating, coach, coaching, fold, folding, load, loading, moat, moating, soak, soaking, poach, poaching, bloating, cloaking, coaling, coasting, croaking, foaling, foaming, goading, hoaxing, loading, loafing, loaning, moaning, shoaling, soaping, toasting, boast, boastly, foam, foamy, loam, loamy, soap, soapy, fault, faultly, bloat, bloater, coast, coaster, float, floater, loaf, loafer, poach, poacher, boat, boater, hoax, hoaxer, loan, loaner. Students, now let's listen these words.
Poll, polling. Comb, combing. Show, showing. Slow, slowly. Open, openly. Low, lower. Post, poster. Own, owner. Gold, golden. Old, olden. Molt, molten. Load, loading. Boat, boating. Poach, poaching. Boast, boasting. Foam, foamy. Loam, loamy. Loaf, loafer. Loan, loner. Float, floater.
Students, now let's practice OU and OW words, and it sounds as ow. So here you will find verb, adjective, adverb and noun forms we are going to practice. Bound, bounding, count, counting, cloud, clouding, found, founding, ground, grounding, house, housing, louse, lousing, mount, mounting, pounce, pouncing, pound, pounding, round, rounding, shout, shouting, bouncing, bouting, be silent here, doubting, doubting, crouching, pounding, couching, fouling, flouncing, jouncing, jousting, scouting, shouting, sounding, spouting, scouting, sounding, touting, mousing, mouthing, outing, pouching, pouting, vouching, dowsing, crowding, crowning, drowning, drowsing, frowsting, prowling, vowing. So students, now let's practice here words ending in Y. Here Y is as E. Bound, bound, bounty. Cloud, cloudly. Flower, flowery. Flowl, flowly. Gout, gouty. Loud, loudly. Round, roundly. Proud, proudly. Count, county. Doubt, doubtly. Dufty, chowltree, boundary. So let's practice words ending in ER. Bounce, bouncer. Bound, bounder. Count, counter. Found, founder. Round, rounder. Browner, browser. Outer, trouser. Pouter, voucher. Shouting, cloudy, boundary, counter, trouser. Let's practice these words, students.
Count, counting. Found, founding. Shout, shouting. Sound, sounding. Cloud, cloudy. Loud, loudly. Proud, proudly. Bounce, bouncer. Count, counter. Found, founder. Browser, voucher.
Students, now let's listen once again.
Poll, polling. Comb, combing. Show, showing. Slow, slowly. Open, openly. Low, lower. Post, poster. Own, owner. Gold, golden. Old, olden. Molt, molten. Load, loading. Boat, boating. Poach, poaching. Boast, boasting. Foam, foamy. Loam, loamy. Loaf, loafer. Loan, loner. Float, floater. Count, counting. Found, founding. Shout, shouting. Sound, sounding. Cloud, cloudy. Loud, loudly. Proud, proudly. Bounce, bouncer. Count, counter. Found, founder. Browser, voucher.
So students, till now we have practiced words having O, OA and OU and OW, and its different sounds. So students, in next class we will deal with one other sound. So please like and subscribe the channel, students. Thank you.